Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica, and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hi guys, so today we'll be making one of our all-time favorite ancient recipes for hair growth, which is black seed water. This recipe will not only stimulate hair growth, but it will restore dormant hair follicles and strengthen the hair against breakage. So stay tuned. The first ingredients we'll be using today are black seeds. Black seeds are also known as black cumin or kalonji seeds. They come from Nigella sativa, which is a small plant that grows in Eastern Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. Black seeds are so potent they're actually considered as an essential oil. It is super effective in regrowing thinning areas on the scalp. It also helps prevent and restore hair shedding and balding. The second ingredients we'll be using today are fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek contains large amounts of lecithin, which hydrates the hair and strengthens the roots or hair follicles. The seeds also help in moisturizing the hair and bringing back that luster and bounce. It also helps fight off dandruff, and it also conditions the hair. The last ingredients we'll be using today are cloves. Cloves contain a property called eugenol, which increases blood flow to the scalp and leads to hair growth. We have used cloves in a variety of our hair oils and teas and seen immense results in our hair growth journey. Today we'll be using just 1 tablespoon of cloves. Once you have all your ingredients added in, it's time to mix everything in and allow it to boil for 15 minutes until your water is dark. Flaxseed water also consists of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which help fight scalp infections and also help boost hair growth, alongside slowing down the aging process in the hair cells. After 15 minutes, it's time to switch off your stove and allow your hair tea to cool down before draining it. can leave the hair tea in a jar if it is being used as a hair rinse. However, you can transfer it into a spray bottle if it is being used as a hairspray. Now your black seed water is potent and ready for use. These ingredients are super powerful because they are packed with a variety of nutrients and vitamins to transform your hair. Black seed water is very powerful and will help stimulate hair growth. It helps treat baldness, helps heal dandruff and itchiness, alongside reducing your hair shedding, and then also it conditions your hair. How to use black seed water. Your black seed water can be used as a hair rinse and poured all over your hair on your wash day. It can also be used as a hairspray by evenly parting your hair in sections and spraying onto the scalp and body of your hair. Once you do this, all you need to do is just massage the black seed water into your scalp gently. Once used, it can be stored in the fridge and used within 7 to 10 days. So guys, kindly let us know in the comment section if this video was helpful to you and if you'll be trying out this super potent black seed water. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, and we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye.